How's it going, guys? So I'm very excited today. I finally have this Amazon store completed. It was quite the nightmare setting up. So what this is Nathan's DIY Garage Amazon affiliate store. So we have our affiliate parts here, and I tried to pick out most of the ones that were on Prime so you guys can have it within 2 days. As you know, we pretty much stopped buying off eBay and shipped it to Amazon. We could not wait for car parts for 10 days or 2 weeks to get here. And that's the problem we're having. The problem we were having through the post office. So all this stuff here, almost all of it's going to come through either FedEx Express or UPS, and we have had really good luck with it. So all these parts are parts that I've used in the past or I have knowledge of. And you can see here, we just put a pretty good handful of stuff on here, like N54 coil packs, N52 coil packs, the head bolts, the head gaskets for all these cars, and the oil filter wrench I use all the time on the E90s that don't have the nut on top, oil filter housing gaskets, legitimate gates, thermostat, and for E90 guys that have a cracked valve cover, a new valve cover with a gasket for $175, and your PCVs and all that kind of stuff. So how this works, I'm just setting all this up. The Amazon details aren't always very good. So right in the top corner of each part box, if you hover, and it'll have a little write-up here of what I typed out. So my personal experience with these parts, and that'll give you a little better leverage when buying stuff. You're not blindly buying stuff anymore when you buy it through my Amazon store. So just want to take a few minutes here. I'm going to upload this video. There is one more thing on the channel on the bottom of every video. I'll show you here. Bottom of every video, in the description, we have a link, a live link. If you click on that link, it takes you right to the storefront. So no more parts buying nightmares. This is faster than all the BMW part shops, all the third-party shops. This is the fastest you're going to get, period. So we will be doing this for the MRE channel too. We're setting that up right now. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the parts. Have a good day.